Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Again, I am going to share with you all the very nice topic related to group discussion, group task, and group exercise. And the topic title is Tips for Participation in a GD. How to participate or how to start a particular group discussion or how to enter into any group discussion, group task, and group exercise, because there are possibility that there are candidates who are at the expert level also, advanced level also, beginner level also, intermediate level also, and you are totally at the beginning level. You have just started participation in any GD just 2 months back, 3 months back. Then you have already cleared your written examination. Then in the GD part, most of the candidates, if they're very fluent in English and your English is not up to the mark, then at that time also you can enter in any GD and you can crack any GD. It's my challenge. If you will follow all these 7 tips, this is called $1 billion tips for participation in a GD. The very first point, don't try to read on the board, okay? If you want to read on the board, very simple, pause this video, read all those 7 points and listen to me very carefully, one by one, step by step, what I am going to tell you all. Take these tips, apply in your GD, whichever whosoever GD you are going to appear, and then you see you will crack the any GD of the world in first attempt. Okay. First point, which is very important for everyone, if you know nothing about the topic, always remember before starting any open GD, closed GD, interviewer or examiner will give you 1 minute time for jotting down the notes, making short notes or bullet points or prompt. Okay. At that time, say for example, corporal punishment, capital punishment, Bimaru, bricks, pigs, pink pajama, Me Too complaint. You do not know, say for example, anything about this. So ask your friend, particular those who are sitting there. If they are sharing with you, it's very good. Otherwise, no need to worry. Let the discussion start first, because there will be one person, two-person who will start the GD as an initiator, as a leader, as a moderator, and they will definitely aware the topic. As I told in the last video also, the previous video, they are supposed to aware the topic by initiation, by code, by definition. They will introduce the topic, they will explain the topic within a minute. By saying 5-6 points, you will immediately get an idea what they are talking about, what is the topic, and then you are supposed to enter into a particular GD. So wait for that particular moment when they will finish their definition part, introduction part, explanation part. Within a minute, a maximum less than 2 minutes, they will introduce the entire GD group discussion by initiation and by awareness. Wait for that moment. Then you enter the GD. This is very valid point. Always remember. Otherwise, if you do not know the topic and you started and it's wrong, immediately rejected, even though after first impression is the last impression. Say for example, the very first point you said wrong, after that you are telling the valid point, examiner will not consider your point because you corrupted the entire GT part. Other may also get confused by telling your points. This is the first point. Second point, if you know the topic very well but others are totally ignorant, it means you are at expert level. It means you are supposed to aware that particular GD topic, you are supposed to initiate the GD topic, but not by telling the entire point. Say for example, you know 20 points. You are supposed to give in the beginning within 2 minutes 6 points, 7 points, and at regular interval you are supposed to extend your 2 points, 3 points, so that examiner should watch. Yes, you are able to give during the entire group discussion process 20 valid points. It means 100% selection for you. Always remember. So in the beginning, you're supposed to give only 5, 6.7 points out of 20 points because you are at expert level. Then at regular interval of 30 seconds, you enter the GD, because this GD, if it is very hot topic, it's a complete fish market. And everybody is trying to prove themselves. And everybody will try actually. And those, if you will, unfortunately, if you're getting all are very fluent in English, then it's a complete fish market. There will be no consensus, no conclusion. Total GD will be null and void. Only though 2-3 students will be getting good marks, those who are able to raise their voice and able to put the points. Very simple. So put only in the beginning 5-6 point. Don't disclose everything in the beginning itself. Point 3, which is very important, you are not being noticed while speaking. Then what you will do? Very simple. You are not being noticed. Why? Because of your low voice, your soft voice. Then what you are supposed to do? Find out the strong speaker in that particular group discussion. Be concentrate and be attentive. When he stop or she stop, then enter the GD. Only then you will be able to enter the GD. Because in a particular group discussion, out of 10 candidates, only 2 or 3 candidates will be strong speaker. It's as a rule of thumb is there, not more than that. And most of the candidates, 6 candidates will be normal speaker. Only 2-3 candidates who are very good at expert level and very fluent in English. Just notice those students, candidates, participant, and then you are supposed to enter the GD. Okay. Then comes how to enter the discussion. This is very important. As I told, you're supposed to find out the strong speaker, then wait for that moment when the voice level will be slightly lower. Always remember, when someone started with the soft voice, then again you are supporting he or she, you can start, you can enter the discussion. Got it? Very simple. Identify the strong speaker, just like the point third. Then, because there will be hardly 3-4 strong speaker, when they will stop discussing among themselves after 2 minutes. What will happen? Because they are intentionally doing this so that others can also speak. Leader moderator will encourage you to say something, and wait for that moment when voice level will be slightly lower. When voice level will be slightly lower, then you have soft voice, a lower voice, then you are supposed to enter that particular discussion slightly raising your voice. You are not supposed to shout. Slightly raising your voice, enter the discussion by telling, yes, I am fully agree with you, I am totally agree with you, and I would like to add more point. I think this will be like this. Okay. Then comes point 5. When someone gives you spark of your point, now you have entered the discussion, and someone, before entering the discussion, someone just what you were planning to say, and he explained that part. Simply enter the discussion at that time by saying that yes, I would like to add more point, 2 points more on this, and I am fully agree with you. I think I am in toto with you, and I think this will be like this. This is the very simple way for entering into any discussion, by raising your voice slightly, not more than that. You are not supposed to shout in a particular GD. Always remember, examiner is watching you. They will not interfere once GD has been started. And in a particular GD, you are supposed to tell your all candidates not by name. Always remember, only by telling candidate number 1, candidate number 2, candidate number 3, not by name. You are not supposed to greet the examiner in a GD. Always remember, you are supposed to greet only your participant. Good morning, or happy morning, happy afternoon, or happy evening, whatever it is. Remember these rules. I will tell you in the next video. Okay. Then point 6, which is also very important. If someone interrupts you while discussion, you are saying something, again some expert speaker started telling something, please request them, please let me finish this point, please let me complete this point. I definitely agree with you, please let me complete this point. Definitely they will stop for a moment, and you are supposed to finish, because the GD, always remember, within 10 minutes you are supposed to give your valid points at regular interval of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes, so that 4-5 points should come, and your selection, you will be able to secure your position in a particular GD. And last but not the least, take a position if voice is very low and soft. What you will do if your voice is very low and soft, my dear, this is all about practice, practice, and practice. Go for mock GD practice in any institute nearby your city, town, wherever you are living. Okay, and try to slightly raise your voice, not at the shout level, because voice modulation is required. That is pitch, your rhythm, your volume, everything matters a lot. So when your voice is low and soft, definitely you will have to wait for taking a position. Means what? You will have to agree with someone point, raising your voice slightly, and then enter into that particular discussion. If he or she is saying something, once you will support someone, definitely he or she will encourage you also. Yes, say something. It happens in a particular GD. If it is not a fish market, then this is the possibility. Or train yourself in a such a way, you know the topic very well, you take the initiative, you introduce the topic, you define the topic, you explain the topic within a minute by telling 5-6 points, very valid points, by starting by taking initiation in terms of code, in terms of shocking statement, in terms of general statement, means any such thing which attracts the GD attention, means attracts your valid point, and examiner and an interviewer will find very clearly, yes, you are the leader, you are an initiator, and you will be able to crack and conclude the GD. This is all billions dollar tips for participation in GD. If you take into consideration all these 7 points, and at last but not the least, I will tell you all, watch my all those 9 videos on group discussion and personal interview, HR interview. I have already uploaded. Go by that video. In future, more than 500 videos will be there on personality development, soft skill, group discussion, interview related to all top multinational companies, Fortune 500 companies, IT, non-IT companies, government companies, related to all government department, top government department, whether it's the civil service, public service commission, RBI, SBI, IBPS, PSUs bank, PSUs company, IUC, GAIL, SAIL, BAIL, NTPC, IPCL, BPCL, then Google, Microsoft, IBM, Satyam, Infosys, Wipro, Fortune 500, anything. Means in future you will be getting everything within a year. You will be able to get more than 500 videos on all these things, and you will be able to crack the entire world, any group discussion interview part in first attempt. This is my challenge. Just keep watching and alert and practice, practice and practice. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.